Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And if you want to replace your battery or if you want to buy a new battery, then what are the things that you should be checking before buying a battery? That I will tell you in this video. So let's get started. So the first thing, when you reach the battery shop, you should ask the person there what manufacturing date he has on his batteries. So the moment you ask him this question, he will show you his latest batteries. So here on the screen you can see that the manufacturing date of this battery is 7/21, which means that this battery is 2 months old, which is absolutely fine. But if the manufacturing date has crossed 6 months, then it is a matter of concern, because you should not be putting a battery which has crossed 6 months already. Because if you buy a battery which is 7 months old, then already 7 months has crossed of that battery. Just remember that. So always ask this question first before even looking at the battery. So once that is cleared, then you can move on to the next thing, which is the serial number. Check the serial number on the box if it is matching with the battery inside of the box. If the serial number doesn't match, it means that the battery inside the box is not the battery for which the box was made for. So be careful about that. If the serial numbers match, then you can move on to the next step, which is checking the warranty period. So the warranty period for this battery is 55 months. But it is not 55 months free replacement warranty. So do check it properly. As I am showing you on the screen, as you can see here, it is only 30 months free replacement warranty. It means that if anything happens to your battery within 30 months, they will give you a free replacement. But if your battery has crossed 30 months, then what happens is what you should be looking at. After your battery has crossed 30 months, you will get a 40% discount on the new battery. You will not get a free replacement. As you can see on the screen, if your battery has crossed 30 months, then you will get a 40% discount. If your battery has crossed 34 months, then you will get a 30% discount. And if your battery has crossed 37 months, you will get a 25% discount, and so on. So check this label on the box before opening the battery. If you are not satisfied with the guarantee period, then you can ask for another battery which has more warranty period on it. So once that is cleared, here you will have to read an important instruction. It is actually for the dealer, but you should also know this. Before fitting the battery, the color of the eye should be green. As you can see, the color inside this glass eye is green. If it is white, then the battery needs to be recharged. And once they connect the battery, this is what you should be checking. Once you start the car, the alternator starts to charge the battery, and the voltage measured should be between 14 to 14.4 volts. So make sure you let them check this and check by yourself as well. So if you found this video helpful, then share with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my next video. And if you have any questions, then do comment below. So this is Raisen Fernandez signing out until we meet again.